Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to do your own VAT return in Xero. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to access your Xero account and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. Here, look towards the menu options and locate the Accounting tab. Then click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Account Settings. This section is where you'll manage your financial settings and set up everything needed for your VAT. Inside this menu, look for Financial Settings and click on it. This will take you to a page containing different financial configuration options, including a dedicated VAT section. In this VAT section, you'll be able to choose the appropriate VAT scheme or basis for your business. Once that's done, you'll need to define your VAT period, which is the time frame you'll use for your VAT calculations. You will also need to enter your official VAT registration number and your VAT display name, which is essential because it identifies your business for tax purposes. With all these details filled in, take a moment to review everything carefully to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct and complete, click the Save button. This will secure your settings and make sure Xero is fully updated with your latest VAT preferences. And that's it. So that is how you can do your own VAT return in Xero. So that's all for this video. Thanks.